I literally had 84 rupees in my account, and I still opened Zomato like I was gonna order something. Just vibes, no money. I was an architect, unemployed, alone in a rented flat, pretending I had work, avoiding my parents' calls, and every day I was waking up to a fresh new level of what the hell is happening. So yeah, I was broke, bored, and surviving off biscuit packets and blind optimism. Until one night, after my third cup of hot water, I sat down and said, okay, enough, let's stop dying and start figuring it out. I stopped searching for architecture jobs near me and started asking, what can I sell? What can I teach? What can I do today? And somehow the money started trickling in. Let me break down how I made $1,000 in 1 month, starting with 84 rupees and blind faith. Number 1, freelance drafting, $400. Found some gigs on Upwork, floor plans, a garage, a cafe, nothing fancy. Number 2, selling my old college templates, $150. I took my dusty submissions and turned them into editable files. Number 3, tutoring, $200. Want to learn SketchUp or Photoshop? 499 rupees per session. 3 people replied. I taught from my bed, in a t-shirt I hadn't washed in 4 days. Number 4, plan review gigs on Reddit, $100. Gave feedback, got paid. Unexpected, but welcome. Number 5, Instagram mini gigs, $100. Posted a 3D reel, got 2 DMs. Closed 2 projects. Easy money? Not really, but money, yes. And number 6, this video. Yeah, this is part of the experiment too. Creating content, telling stories, trying to build one more stream. But let me tell you, the real win wasn't just the $1,000. It was the mental shift. I stopped treating discipline like an object and started treating it like rent. 3 hours a day, non-negotiable. Just show up and try. I stopped worshipping job titles and started breaking my skills into tiny, useful, awkward offers. Useful is better than impressive. And most importantly, I started saving like the universe had beef with me, because sometimes it does. Even now, if I earn 500 rupees, I save 150 rupees. Not because I'm smart, because I've seen what zero looks like. So if you're sitting there broke and confused, thinking, this won't work for me, just remember, I once Googled how to cook dal without a pressure cooker because I was scared of the gas bill. The difference? I just started doing small, strange things consistently. One saved template, one student, one Reddit DM. That's all it took to start. So yeah, from 84 rupees to $1,000 wasn't a glow up, it was survival. And this channel, another stream, another experiment, another story to tell. If this helped, like it, comment, or just try something awkward today. See you in the next one.